Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin now, power cycle the machine and remove all external devices so nothing interferes. Once done, force Windows into advanced recovery by interrupting boot 3 times or using Shift plus F8. This avoids waiting at the welcome loop. From recovery, choose Troubleshoot Advanced Options Startup Settings. Make sure to try Safe Mode first. It loads minimal drivers and often bypasses the stuck screen. If you see Control plus Alt plus Del response, use it to open Task Manager and Kill Explorer. EXE to test UI recovery. Once in safe mode, start with driver and system integrity checks. Run sfc/scanno to repair corrupted system files, then dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health to fix the image. Make sure to install or roll back any suspect drivers in Device Manager. Drivers commonly block normal logon. If the issue began after an update or install, use System Restore to revert to a clean point. While these tools run, monitor for disk errors and let the utilities complete before rebooting to avoid partial fixes. To finish, create a new local administrator account in safe mode to check for profile corruption. If the new account signs in normally, migrate your data and retire the broken profile. If that fails, choose Reset this PC and select Keep My Files to restore system files while preserving documents. Make sure to back up before proceeding. Key troubleshooting tip: if resets fail, build bootable Windows 10 USB on another machine and perform a clean install. That solves deep corruption, but requires reinstalling apps.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.